Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just put a short video together today, just showing you how to reset the TPMS tyre pressure monitoring system light on this 2015 Toyota Aygo. That's a really straightforward reset on these. I'll just show you the warning light and just see the little light in the bottom corner there. And this one has just been reset, so it's off now. But normally if you've got an issue where it senses your tyre pressures have dropped, the light will come on there. Obviously you need to check your tyre pressures are right first, just go around them and set them all. And then once you've set them, you need to carry out the reset. But it's really straightforward reset on these. Obviously this one's a right hand drive. If you just come in the glove box, just tucked up the top here, there's a little button there. And all you need to do is just, with the ignition on stage 2, just at that stage there, just simply press and hold the button. While you're holding it, just keep it depressed. You'll see the button start flashing there. Once it's flashing, just keep it depressed for a few more seconds, and you can till it goes out. Once it's gone out, you can simply release the button, and that's it. The system's reset. Hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.